How to use Pika Twist in Pika AI. If you want to use the Pika Twist in Pika AI, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. Pika Twist is one of the features within the Pika Art or Pika AI service. First, you open your browser and you go to pika.art, or you download the Pika AI application from your App Store. Once you log into your account, from the bottom, you can see this option that says Pika Twist. So what you do is click the Pika Twist feature there, and you can see it says upload your video to add your twist. Make sure the video is at least 5 seconds long, and we'll use the first 5 seconds. And it says describe the changes you want to make. So basically you upload a video that could be at least 5 seconds long, and then just describe the changes. And for the best result, just make sure that the changes you want to make is usually pretty much similar to what is currently in the original video, and we'll basically go ahead and then make the changes for you. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically upload and maybe use the Pika Twist feature in Pika AI. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.